Okay, next step in your braciola is package your steaks out. Make sure you have all your stuff ready here. Okay. Now you want to take a steak out of the package, lay it out on your cutting board here, and you want to take a mallet, meat tenderizer. You want to beat the hell out of it. Okay. Flip it over. It depends on how tender you want it. I don't really like it like much, but you can do this side a little bit. Some people like to make them real thin, and then they'll take the flat side and thin them out like paper thin. I'll do this one just for the heck of it a little bit. I don't really like it that thin. But anyway, there you have it. That's tenderized. Now what you want to do is take some of your mix of cheese, parsley, garlic, and spices, and you want to spread it out on there. Okay? Your hand, just kind of get it as even, as you can, leaving one end with not that much there. Alright, now with the fork, use your fingers. You're going to be using your hands anyway, so okay, depends on how much of this you want. You like a lot of garlic flavor and cheese, you put a lot on. Alright, you don't like that much, put less on. All depends on how much flavor you want and how much time you want to spend too. Alright, then you take your braciola. This is your braciola now, okay? And you roll it. You roll it nice like this, okay? There you go. Alright. Try to tuck the ends in if they start getting away. Roll them under. Alright. Here's your roll. Now, take some toothpicks. Alright. And you could use string if you want to. I just use toothpicks. Fold up one end here, one corner. Alright. Fold it up like this. And just put your toothpick in to hold the roll together. Alright, do the other end, same. You lift that up a little bit, kind of like fold it over. Alright, so this way the toothpick stays in, and so does the cheese and the garlic. Because when you go to fry it, if it opens up, some of it will fall out. Not going to kill anything or hurt anything, but that's that. And then sometimes, if it's a big one like this, take one, put it in the middle here, alright, at the very end of the flap, and put it through like that, okay? Now, this is why I don't like pounding it out with the flat side, because it gets too thin and it'll make holes in the meat, and it's just too thin. I don't like it that way. Okay, there you have that.